top places to visit in Europe. Paris, France. Known as the City of Light, Paris is famous for its iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. Enjoy its charming cafes, romantic Seine River cruises, and world-class art. Rome, Italy. The Eternal City boasts ancient ruins like the Colosseum and Roman Forum, stunning art in the Vatican museums, and beautiful piazzas. Don't miss the chance to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona is renowned for its unique architecture by Antoni Gaudí, including the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. Stroll down La Rambla and relax on the beautiful beaches. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Explore the picturesque canals. Visit world-class museums like the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum, and experience the vibrant atmosphere of the Jordan district. London, England. London offers a blend of historical landmarks like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace, modern attractions such as the London Eye, and an array of museums and theaters. Santorini, Greece. Known for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and crystal-clear waters, Santorini is perfect for romantic getaways and island-hopping adventures. Vienna, Austria. Vienna, the city of music, offers imperial palaces like Schönbrunn and the Hofburg, elegant coffee houses, and a rich cultural scene with concerts and opera performances. Prague, Czech Republic. With its fairy tale architecture, charming old town, and historic Charles Bridge, Prague is a city of stunning beauty and rich history. Budapest, Hungary. Divided by the Danube River, Budapest is famous for its historic thermal baths, stunning parliament building, and the vibrant nightlife of the ruin bars. Florence, Italy. The birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence is home to magnificent art and architecture, including the Duomo, Uffizi Gallery, and Michelangelo's David. Edinburgh, Scotland. Edinburgh offers a captivating blend of history and culture with its medieval Old Town, the majestic Edinburgh Castle, and the annual Edinburgh Festival Fringe. Reykjavík, Iceland. Reykjavík is the gateway to Iceland's stunning natural wonders, including the Blue Lagoon, geysers, waterfalls, and the Northern Lights. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik features well-preserved medieval architecture, beautiful beaches, and scenic views from the city walls. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon offers colorful neighborhoods, historic trams, and stunning views from its hills. Don't miss the Belém Tower and the Geronimo's Monastery. Venice, Italy. The romantic city of canals, Venice is famous for its gondola rides, St. Mark's Basilica, and the beautiful Rialto Bridge. 16. Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen combines modern design with historic charm, featuring attractions like Tivoli Gardens, Nyhavn Harbor, and the iconic Little Mermaid statue. 17. Istanbul, Turkey. A city where East meets West, Istanbul boasts stunning landmarks like the Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, and the bustling Grand Bazaar. 18. Bruges, Belgium. Known for its medieval architecture and picturesque canals, Bruges is a charming city perfect for walking tours and sampling Belgian chocolate and beer. 19. Stockholm, Sweden. Spread across 14 islands, Stockholm offers a mix of modern design and historical sites, including the Royal Palace, Vasa Museum, and the trendy district of Södermalm. 20. Berlin, Germany. Berlin is a city of history and modernity, with landmarks like the Brandenburg Gate, Berlin Wall, and vibrant neighborhoods like Kreuzberg and Prenzlauer Berg. These destinations offer a diverse range of experiences, from historical and cultural to modern and scenic, making Europe a continent with something for every traveler. Remember to subscribe and share, follow for more travel tips, and thanks for watching.